Thanks for tuning in to Indique TV.
I love Indique. I love the Indique Studio Pony because it's easy to apply and it has a lot of movement.
We'd like to introduce the Ponytail from the Studio Collection. Indique's Ponytail is a full, flowing piece that's easy to apply. It has 2 clips and a drawstring for a perfect fit. The ponytail will conceal your natural hair with a clean, flawless finish.
The Studio Collection pony is a quick way to get the look without the fuss. It has 2 clips and a drawstring for easy application. Now I'm going to show you guys how you do application of the pony. You take the first clip, place it in your hair. Second, place it at the bottom. Locate the drawstring.
To learn more about our products, visit indiquehair.com.